Being one of the world's best gastronomic destinations, Japan offers a wide variety of culinary experiences. If you want to delve deeper into the art of Japanese cooking, there is no better approach than to take a cooking class or a food tour in Japan. Whether you live in Japan or want to visit the country, there are tours in which you can participate that enrich your experience. Taking a cooking class will give you the opportunity to learn from expert chefs. Besides, you'll be able to impress friends and coworkers with your cooking skills when you get back home. Hello there. Welcome back for more entertaining Japan stories. Let's take a look at some of the best culinary tours in Japan, shall we? Many people who visit Japan want to learn more about their culture and how it differs from their own. One of the best ways to learn about a culture is by immersing yourself in it. By taking cooking classes, you'll be able to experience Japanese culture firsthand. You can learn how to cook some traditional dishes while also learning about their history and significance. There are many different types of Japanese food that you can learn to cook, ranging from sushi to ramen. For example, if someone wants to learn how to cook ramen from scratch, they can go to a ramen making class where they will learn how to make their own ramen from scratch using fresh ingredients instead of dried noodles from a package. Some of these dishes only require a few ingredients and can be prepared quickly. Others may take a little more time. If you're traveling with children, then it might also be a good idea to check out some of the kid-friendly activities on offer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, attending a cooking class in Japan is a terrific way to experience Japan's rich culinary tradition. On our website, you'll find a list of the best cooking classes in Japan, from Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, and Kanagawa, with a wide range of programs that cater to your needs and interests. Are you a foodie who loves to travel the world discovering new flavors and dishes? Then take a food tour, where you'll get to sample something delicious and maybe even unique. There are a number of food tours available throughout the country that allow visitors to explore different regions of Japan while sampling their famous delicacies. You can choose from walking tours where you will stop at shops along the way or have lunch at restaurants recommended by locals, bike tours where you will cycle through rural farmland and get close up with nature. Or if you prefer something more luxurious, then try out a limousine tour where you'll be driven around whilst enjoying meals at some of the best restaurants. Our website can be your guide to finding a fun food tour to participate in while in Japan. What do you think of Japanese tea ceremony? Would you like to learn how it's done? Another popular type of tour is a tea ceremony tour, where people get together for an afternoon tea time, followed by an explanation about how tea ceremonies work in Japan. To describe it simply, it's a Japanese cultural activity involving the ceremonial preparation and presentation of green tea. These types of tours are great for those who want an introduction to Japanese culture but don't have much time since they usually last only 2 hours or less. Well, there you have it. Make your trip to Japan more memorable by going on a culinary tour and bringing home something special. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.